This is not just an ordinary docking station. It's a multifunctional assistant tailored for your devices. Supporting 4K AHA 60 Hz HDMI output, it effortlessly mirrors your phone to the TV, delivering an immersive big screen viewing experience. It also connects easily to gaming consoles, allowing you to enjoy high-quality, smooth gaming entertainment. Built-in driver, easy installation, simplifying every operation. The unique DIY button function is the core highlight of this docking station, supporting customizable quick action, one-touch HDMI control, and personalized volume adjustments, enhancing work efficiency. The 100W Type-C PD port supports charging while multitasking, while the SD and TF card reader supports up to 1 TB of storage, making file management easier. With two USB 3.1 ports, enjoy ultra-fast data transfer. This DIY button multifunctional docking station condenses infinite possibilities into the palm of your hand.